Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak very tender. First, let's talk about choosing the right cut. For a truly tender experience, opt for cuts like filet mignon, ribeye, or sirloin. These cuts naturally have less connective tissue. Also, look for good marbling, which are those small streaks of fat throughout the meat. This fat melts during cooking, adding incredible flavor and keeping your steak wonderfully moist. Aim for a steak about 1.5 inches thick for even cooking. Next, proper preparation is key to achieving that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Always bring your steak to room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan or grill. This ensures more even cooking from edge to center. Season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra tender result, try a dry brine. Salt your steak 1 hour to 24 hours ahead of time, allowing the salt to draw out moisture and then reabsorb, tenderizing the meat from within. Now, let's get to the cooking. High heat searing is crucial for a beautiful crust. Sear your steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side in a very hot pan. Then, transfer it to a preheated oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking. This two-stage method helps achieve even doneness without overcooking the exterior. Always use a meat thermometer for a perfect medium rare. Aim for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit before resting. Finally, the last two steps are just as important for tenderness: resting and slicing. After cooking, let your steak rest on a cutting board for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire steak. Skipping this can result in a dry steak. When you're ready to slice, always cut against the grain into thin pieces. This shortens the muscle fibers, making every bite incredibly tender and easy to chew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.